I know you have some questions about taking files or posts or information from Blackboard and putting it into Canvas, so I'm just going to show you a couple different ways that you can do that. So first of all, you've found the right page. This is our resource for Canvas Transition. If you go to this tab, Getting Help with Canvas, you will see that we have a couple self-help guides here, and one specifically is to how to download from My Files and put that collection into your Google Drive. So if you did save things in your Blackboard My Files, this would be the resource you want to follow as you go through what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. If you do not have things in My Files and simply just want to save discussion board posts that you have in the discussion board, you're going to have to go into your discussion board like I have here in one of my courses, and let's say I want to save this discussion board post for Canvas. I'm just going to simply copy it, go to my Google Drive. I've created a class folder, and then I'm creating a document for each one of my discussion board posts. And I'm going to paste what I want in there. Now I did not copy the YouTube video, so I'm probably going to want to get the code for that and put it in here. And then I'm going to well, that's a good title for what I need this to be. And now this is saved in my Google folder. So the reason I'm doing this, making each one a separate document, is that Canvas has Google integration. So here's a Canvas class. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my modules, and maybe I want to put that intellectual property in Module 1. So I'm going to go over here to this plus button and click that, go to the drop-down menu and go down to Discussion. I'm going to click New Topic, and I'm going to say, what is in property? Add item. With Canvas, every time you add something to a module, it's going to add it to the bottom of that module. And it's creating a shell. So now we can go into that shell. We're going to click Edit so that we can add content. Now here you can see I have this rich content editor. That's what Canvas calls it. And I have my Google app right here embedded in. I'm going to click on that. And you're going to see, hopefully, okay, it has all of my Google folders right here in the class. So I'm going to go down until I find my class, and then I'm going to go down until I find the page that I saved, and I'm going to embed it so that students can see it. And now it's there. I don't have to copy and paste anything, and you can see that it's really easy to put that in there. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to allow threaded replies. In Canvas, everything defaults to focused discussions, which means students cannot reply to you. Nope, scrap that. They cannot reply to each other. They can only reply to you. If you want your discussions to act and feel the same way as they were in Blackboard, you need to click this button to allow threaded replies. And then there's all kinds of other options here that you can do, and if you go through some of the resources we provided, you can see what those do. Scroll down, you can make this available from certain date to certain date, but if that's all you want to do, then you're going to save and publish. And now you can see that it's put it in the discussion area for students to view. And then if we scroll down, you can see that they can press reply. Even if you do not want to give them access to the documents and embed them this way, by doing it this way in your Google folders, you'll have it very organized and you'll be able to save everything that you want to from your Blackboard courses. I hope this has helped, and please let me know if you have any other questions.